Okay, we're looking at multiplication of fractions and whole numbers, and we're going to look at it as a pictorial representation. Yes, you could multiply 2 times 21 is 42, and you could say 42 divided by 3, so you could say 42 thirds. But when the numbers get bigger, you're really setting yourself up for a calculation error, in my opinion. So I want to show you as a picture, because then we can use it with the variable equation as well. So if you think about it, you have a bar. They're telling us that you want 2/3 of this bar. So you're getting the 3 bars from the 3, 2/3. We know the whole bar has a value of 21. So we know that 21 divided by 3 is 7. We want to know the answer to 2 of these. So what's 2 of these? Well, the answer would be then 14. So 2/3 of 21 is 14. Now, it will not always be a whole number. It also can end up being this way. So we could have a situation where we say 3/4. So again, it's still out of the total amount, so it's out of 4 bars. We know the whole thing is 17. Now the difference is here, 4 doesn't go into 17 evenly, so if we divide 17 by 4, so 17/4, which is the same as 4 and 1/4. So if each bar is 4 and 1/4, 4 and 1/4, 4 and 1/4, sorry about that. Well, we only need to know the value of 3 of them, so wouldn't that be 12 and 3/4? So when you're thinking about the setup, think about the whole bar, right? And then think about the setup. Now with this, what's neat is, let's say all of a sudden it was a variable equation. So what if they were told that 2/3 of some number was, let's say, 10? Well, the setup's not changing. You're still saying the whole bar is out of 3 parts. The difference is 2/3 of what? So your whole bar is your what? It's your of. So there's your n. The 2 part is represented by the 10. So then each bar is 5. So then your n must be 15. So the nice thing is, we're focused more on the top of just making sure we know how to do it, but we can apply it algebraically as well, because the picture allows us to lay it out. I hope that helps you, and if you have any questions, please reach out and ask.